Confused about whether SketchUp or AutoCAD is the right tool to design your dream home? First, let's talk ease of use. SketchUp boasts a user-friendly interface with push and pull modeling. Its intuitive tools make it ideal for beginners who want to quickly visualize their ideas in 3D. Click on the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle, and then use the push-pull tool to extrude it into a wall, and see your space come to life almost instantly. AutoCAD, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for precision and detail. However, its interface is more complex, requiring a steeper learning curve. Instead of pushing and pulling, you'll be inputting specific dimensions and using commands to create lines and shapes, perfect for detailed blueprints. In terms of 3D modeling, SketchUp excels at creating visually appealing models with a wide range of textures and materials. AutoCAD is focused on precise 2D drawings but can also handle 3D, although it is more technical and less visually intuitive for conceptual design. For home design, SketchUp is great for visualizing concepts, experimenting with layouts, and creating presentations. It's perfect for homeowners and designers who want a quick and easy way to see their ideas realized. AutoCAD shines when creating detailed construction documents, precise floor plans, and technical specifications. It's the standard for architects and engineers who require accuracy and adherence to industry standards. So, the best choice depends on your project needs. SketchUp for intuitive 3D design and easy visualization, AutoCAD for precision, detailed documentation, and professional-grade blueprints. Choose wisely and happy designing.